नमस्कार. आज ही तुमगेल मुखार यूथ ऑफ GSP तर्फेन GSP उद्योग धनची एपिसोडाका तुमक पूरा स्वागत सांगता. आयची एपिसोड एक विंगड नमुन्याचो. इथं म्हळ्यार आमी इतले काळ बँकिंग, फायनान्स, अकाउंटिंग आनी MSME मागीर मस्त जॉबाच्या विशयांतू और ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी विशयांतू तुमकां पुरा सांगिल्लें. आज आमगेलो टू डॉक्टर सुमना रंजाळकर म्हूण आसाची. हांणी परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्सा विशय बेसिकली वेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ डान्स आसा तांतू एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आनी एंटरप्रिनरशीप ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज ते कितले नमुने आसाचे ते पुरा आमकां सांगू आयल्याची. सुमना रंजाळकर तुमकां हांव स्वागत करता.
नमस्कार.
सुमना रंजाळकर हांणी एक डान्सर आनी कोरियोग्राफर आनी हांणी एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर ॲट बेंगलोर युनिवर्सिटी ज्ञानभारती कॅम्पस बेंगलोरांत आसाची. हांगेल वर्किंग नॉलेज म्हळ्यार हांणी मस्त नमुना डान्स फॉर्म्स शिकल्यांची मास्टरी केला तांतू एक स्पेशल कसं म्हळ्यार सिरिया केला चाव म्हूण एक डान्स मार्शल आर्ट्स ऑफ मणिपूर तांतू आनी विंगड फोक डान्सस तांतूय हांणी मस्त शिकल्यांची. भायल देशाचे फोक डान्सस तांतू तांकां परिणीत आसा. हांगेले दूरदर्शनांतू हांणी ऑडिशन आर्टिस्ट जावन आसाची आनी DSERTचे कमिटींतू कथक डान्साचे टेक्स्ट बूक हांणी कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट केलां. आतां हांणी भरतनाट्यम आनी कथक शिकयतर आसाची. तांगेले एक डान्स अकाडेमी चलयतर आसाची, संकर्षणा अकाडेमी म्हणून 1987 जून ताकून हे चलयतर आसाची. हांणी विंगड कॉलेजांतू कथक आनी कोरियोग्राफी क्लासीस काडतर आसाची. लेक्चरर फॉर हिस्ट्री ऑफ आर्ट्स ऑफ द ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट तांतू स्पेशलायझेशन आंगलें तांतू 1998 ताकून 2015 ताईं तांणी हें काम केलां आनी प्रिंसिपल जावन आशिल्ली तेन्ना कॉलेज ऑफ कथक एंड कोरियोग्राफी फॉर 3 वर्सां. आतां तांणी बेंगलोर युनिवर्सिटींतू असिस्टंट प्रोफेसर जावन आसाची परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंटांतू. हांणी हांकां एक अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळा नृत्य निपुणे म्हणून आनी नृत्यकला परिशद बेंगलोर हांणी दिलेलें तें. सुमना रंजाळकर तुमकां स्वागत. तुमी तुमगेले बिजी टायमार आमकां येवन तुमगेले एक्सपिरियन्स शेअर करून तुमगे आमगेलो टायल्यांची तुमकां मस्त धन्यवाद. फर्स्ट तुमगेलें एक क्वेश्चन कसं म्हळ्यार परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स म्हणून आमी सांगतात न्हू तें कसं तें?
सर्वेभ्यो गुरुभ्यो नमः. मलगड्यांक स्वाम्यांक आज आमगेलो शिल्पूर नमस्कार सांगताची. हांव एक विशय सांगता. साहित्य संगीत कलाविहीनः साक्षात पशु उच्च विषाणहीनः म्हणल्यार साहित्य संगीत गोत नतील आशिल्लो, मात एक दोन कोंबो एक बाल नतिलो एक एनिमल म्हणून सांगतात. तशें देखून पुराजना लागीं आमगे लागीं आर्ट आसा. वी आर ऑलरेडी बॉर्न विथ आर्ट. कित्याक म्हळ्यार मॅनकायंड जायत लागून डान्स करता, पद म्हणटा. अशें आसतना परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स म्हणून तुमी दिलो म्हणजे एक लर्न स्किल, लर्निंग प्रोसेस नाशी आमी कसनय केल्यार इट डज नॉट बिकम आर्ट. केलो जन येता ती मुगेल चेडूं TV ला राबून डान्स पळोवन तशी करता म्हणटा ती. वेन इट इज नॉट अ लर्न स्किल तांतू ते अशें डिसिप्लीन आनी तशे नेसेसिटीज तांतू नातल्यार वी विल नॉट कॉल इट आर्ट. सो आर्ट बेसिकली इज समथिंग विच हॅज टू बी लर्न अंडर अ गुड टीचर. थंय देखून मुखार मास्टरी जावंका. So the performing arts means anything that is audio, visual and audio visual आमी क्लासिफाय करून घेता.
ओके ओके
तशें म्हणटना गायन, मागीर खंयचेय एक इंस्ट्रुमेंट वादन, डान्सिंग, ड्रामा, हें पुरो आमी परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स सेक्शन. So आज we will आमगे चर्चा is about employment opportunities and professional status for performing arts. भारी लायक असे विषय मेगेल जीवाक भारी खुशी जावत तसले विषय.
या
So GSP community तू मस्त जनांक परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स मेळ्ळी. तांकां भारी लायक ओलून आयला सरस्वतीन तांकां ती विद्या दिल्या.
वय
But आमगेल जनांक तांकां रिप्रोडक्टिविटी ना.
वय
It's not a worthy profession like thought.
वय वय
So that vision I think we should discuss more.
ओके
So do I tell a few more things on something? They say कि एक टीचर अलगी we learn a quarter. आचार्य पादम आदते. Any quarter the student learns from his own intelligence. The next quarter, they say, with interaction with his friends. And the next quarter is by his experience over years. है भारी लायक जोन applicable झालं sir for performing arts. So एक performing artist there are two options. उद्योग म्हणताना आपले चेडवांक there are two options. Either teaching or performance. So when we talk of the teaching aspects, teaching aspects onto some of them are entrepreneurs themselves, self-employed, and teaching. The other option, Kasanasa, very presently, very recently, education policy they have brought in a little change. So this gives enormous scope
वय
to teach in schools. So teaching in schools, universities adds on a lot of employment opportunity. But hanga, आम्ही schools आणतो, university teach करतो. Just एक form आणतो, आशा जायना. इथे आपण करी. Again I come back to quote. विष्णु धर्मोत्तर पुराण आणतो. एक राय निंदिता वज्रा म्हणून कंडया निंदिता. कंडया म्हाका पेंटिंग शिका पेंटिंग शिका म्हळ्यार कुठले तो म्हणटा वचा एक गुरुला शिक्या आपण हटतो गुरुजी म्हणटा पेंटिंगाक भाव रसा असल पुरा जावका लायन्स जावका तुवें फस्ट शिल्पकल शिकता चित्रकल शिकता जाल्यार तुका शिल्पकले गोत आसता नाका जायना शिल्पकले शिकच्याला गेला गेला गुरुजी लागीं तो म्हणटा भंगी भावन पुरा येवका जाल्यार आतां कोप दाखोवका जाल्यार कशें आसता आंग तूं कशें राबता तुवें कसं कोरता पुरा जावका म्हणटा तूं डान्स शिकून आसता डान्स शिकून आसता म्हणटा ताका जावका जाल्यार संगीत ताका जावका जाल्यार लिटरेचर अशी डान्स नावे परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स एक कॉम्पोजिट आर्ट जाता देखून आमगेल जनांनी आमगेल चेडवांनी तांकां ते काम आवडच्या पुरो थरो वर्किंग नॉलेज ऑफ म्युझिक फोक डान्सेस ड्रामॅटिक एलिमेंट जावका पडटा विदाउट विच इट इज नॉट कंप्लीट कितें म्हळ्यार स्कूल्सांत तांणी क्लासिकल डान्स क्लासिकल भरतनाट्यम कोणी एनकरेज करचे लेवलार आसना ते बिकॉज इट्स अ व्हेरी शॉर्ट ड्युरेशन in 1 year's time तांकां showcase करता showcase करता जाल्यार she should have variety. So this is one of the aspects आमी स्कूलांत काम करता म्हळ्यार हांवें खंय तरी projects घेवन showcase करता म्हळ्यार तेन्ना we have to have multi-talented or multi-faceted performances. मुखारसून चेडवांक why they should have knowledge of music and all the allied arts तांगेल costuming आनी तांकां जावका जाल्यार mood music select करूंक this is an essential part. So education म्हणटा teaching on to this will be the aspects. And actually, when it comes to performances can be a lot many because I chidisantu in a city like metropolitan city like Bangalore, there are so many festivals of dance happening. आमगेल चेडू आनी ग्रुप परफॉर्मन्सेस कोरयेता, solo performances कोरयेता. In addition to this, institutions salary and repertory grant म्हणून दितात from the Ministry of Culture. So these people who are having salary and repertory grant, एक audition call करता ते. Audition call केलेलं तर आमगेल चेडू आनी थंयसर perform केल्यारे. They will take them into their repertory or into their group and take them world over and perform showcase. So आमगेल चेडू आनी कशी तयार जाता ती म्हणटली under one group for about 10 years शिकता master a certain amount of money. Then the kun mukari they get an opportunity to work with different institutions or make their own troupe and go further. So these are our opportunities and this is the way we work and go further in performing arts.
अच्छा. आता मी परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स एज अ प्रोफेशन और एम्प्लॉयमेंट घेवचें जाल्यार ताजी प्री रिक्विजिट्स म्हळ्यार तयार कसो जावं आतां एक यंगस्टर मे बी स्कूल आसतना ऑर बियॉन्ड स्कूल तागे लायक आतां सायन्स घेवन मेडिसीन करता इंजिनियर करता और कॉमर्स घेवन CA करता म्हण तशींच एक मनशाक परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्सांत वचूं म्हण जाल्यार एज अ प्रोफेशन तागेले स्टेप्स कसले म्हण एक सांगू की preparations or prerequisites. Yeah.
Most important thing is that one should have passion. Only force cannot help him to become something. So first thing is taka passion aska. So once he has passion and understanding rhythm, music, earth is out the capacity aska. हे तीन aspects जाता ना. हांव आतां सांगला म्हणटे one should train completely in one form. एक form and to definitely expand aska, firm footing aska. Beyond that, multitasking आता, तांका bigger dance forms ate knowledge aska. Certification is a necessity. एक काल आशिल्लो, when I did not certify, it is still okay. But now, it is a time where we need to certify. That's John. There are graduation UG courses in dance, PG courses in dance, UG courses with folk dance also. It is not just classical forms. Music antu yasta. Tashi we have UG and PG courses. Once we certify, like all fields, amkai UGC and national eligibility test. आणि तुमगेले KSET अशी पुरा exams आसा ती if they want to go into the universities to work. If this is not sufficient, they have to empanel themselves to travel abroad. Empanelment is given by the central government body. ICCR म्हणतात ताका. Then we have the Doordarshan giving us auditioned. Once we auditioned, they give us a gradation. Graded so we have to do those things. So when I say I'm a graded artist, the values are different.
Okay.
So expertise घेऊ का म्हणून जाल्यार एक चरण he has to certify. Master degree is somewhere a must these days. If they can do beyond the masters and go up to PhD, it is really very good, excellent. But we need certification, which is a requisite for all fields of activity. So here also we have the same.
Yeah. अंडर ग्रॅज्युएट वचूं म्हण जाल्यार ताणें आतां कर्नाटक जाल्यार +2 और PUC म्हणून कोरता ताणें सो तांतू कसले ताणें स्ट्रीम कोरता की स्पेसिफीक अंडर ग्रॅज्युएट येवका म्हण जाल्यार
I think we have just the art subjects with आमगेले board KSEEB board तांगेले exams आसा ती. They have the junior grade. So the junior grade with a second +2 gives them a qualification to be into the degree. UG course. A senior grade with a graduation, just any graduation with a senior grade exam, qualifies them for a master degree program.
Okay, okay.
So this is the norm in Karnataka. Outside Karnataka, they will ask demand for a degree in dance itself. In that discipline, Panche discipline Tanigattamo, Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Odissi, they need to have those. And we have ample boards giving us Prachin Kala Kendra Pe, Magiri, we have Neeraj Ache board which gives us certification. So there are ample boards which give us certification, ample places where you have inter-university competitions aslari. ಈ ಕೊಡುವಾನಿ at the university level perform cornerstone. With these certification, they can get quota. Just like a sports quota,
Why?
I can approach for a cultural quota. And this cultural quota is applicable to placement in banks, in the government. So cultural quota people can get in through for employment, which is a very nice thing.
Why?
Which is a very, very nice thing. Hanaishi, what we have, Mandari, we have these scholarships, fellowships, and grants by the institutions. So scholarships under 14 ಅಷ್ಟು 2 ಅಂಕ ಮೆಲ್ತಾ, which is just a meager amount to pay up their fees.
Correct.
When they move further, 24 monthana, they get 5,000 per month if they qualify for the scholarship to specialize in the art form.
Okay. That is from the
Which
central
you do not,
government. Yeah, it is from the central
yes,
government.
yes. You do not have it in any subject. Kache subject on dance akani. Classical dance forms are definitely 5,000 per month if they have a good hold in the field.
Why?
A good performers allari, you get this scholarship.
Correct, 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 correct.
So these are the advantages.
आता तुम्ही सांगला म्हण काय पॅशन आशिल्ल्यान एंटर जावचे बेटर बेजीक पॅशन जावं ताका मागीर एक
Yes.
विंगड पुरा इट्स एड ऑन वाय जस्ट फॉर द सेक
Yes.
ऑफ जॉयनिंग वचून इट्स नॉट एडवायजेबल फॉर समबडी टू गेट इन आतां एम्प्लॉय ई जावन एकला ग्रॅज्युएशन जाल्लें ऑर पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन जाल्लें सो खंय ताका जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आसची डान्स परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्सान तूं
See, there are websites like nartaki.com on which they will announce auditions. So each school, like for example, Meghalaya school is if I announce an audition and artists, youth and yonte apply for it, if they are found good enough, then they qualify Malari. Megal, what if you can perform in my troupe? And like I told you, we can work with the universities. We have very famous institutions like the NSD, Nave Amgale, Kathak Kendra, Natya Institute, Kathak and Choreography, Ashipura, famous institutions as Tani, they will employ these people as teachers and performers. Only employment Maltati. International schools in and around Hanga employ people who have a master degree in the field. Panchi discipline of master degree as Kitanka employ kono.
Why?
They are paid in par with all other subjects.
Correct.
So I think they have a lot of opportunities in today's day. So you can utilize what
Why?
is important.
Why? आता तुम्ही युनिव्हर्सिटीन तू असं UG PG म्हणलं पुरा युनिव्हर्सिटीत आस की और इज इट लिमिटेड टू फ्यू युनिव्हर्सिटी
Initially limited to a few but there are some of these central universities, government and central universities, where they are having a lot of these performing arts department. So quite a good number of universities have come up with this course. Shantiniketan has got it. You have Kolkata and Rabindranath Tagore University.
Why?
Which is also Rabindra Bharati it is called. Which also has it. Kairagad also. So you have ample universities. Initially, Bangalore, Mysore, Itlariya Shilkitti.
Why?
We were the foremost people to have it.
Why?
So these days, we have a lot of central universities and regular. Mangalore also. Mangalore also has. Alvas have it.
Acha. Okay.
Alvas had it as a subject for graduation,
Why? Why? And
but
he
unfortunately, no takers.
why? तेच तेच मला बेसिकली कसं म्हणा आता पेरेंट्स से यू गेट इन टू सायन्स डू इंजिनियरिंग और मेडिसिन इंजिनियरिंग एंड बिकम अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजिनियर or do take commerce and become a chartered accountant or MBA. So that's all kind of set. People I think are not look असल ऑप्शन्स आशिल्ले पळयनाची म्हणून दिसता. सो ताजे खातीर तुमकां जी आमी इतले काळ विंगड विंगड टेक्निकल ऑर नॉ हेंवूय टेक्निकलची बट आमगे रेग्युलर ताकून ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೈವರ್ಟ್ करून आजी परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्सा विशयी उलय म्हूण तुमकां पयलें आजी आतां तुमी सांगलें एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज उलयल्यात सो तशींची एंटरप्रिनरशीप ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज कशी आसा आतां तुमी एक 25 इयर्स साकून डान्स स्कूल चलयतात आसाची सो तशी और विंगड कसले एंटरप्रिनरशीप ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज खंय आसा
See, associated with dance, costumes, sir. ताजी घालची jewelry sir. Then you have the video, photography, invites for. We have allied fields like art criticism. एकलो कोणे पेपर की मीडिया बरेतल जाव का हांव परफॉर्म केलेले विषय बरेतल जाव कतीची because of that it is not possible to be famous. So we need people who want to be art critics. Nobody doing it till date. And we have I told you costumes. Hello Jana, they hire costumes. They keep an outlet where you can come and hire costumes. They make a lot of money out of that. आता तुमक ready-made costumes मिळतात ते हाणदवर तुम्ही भाड्या दिल्यारी you can still make money. Then another aspect म्हणत कसं नाही म्हणल्यारी lighting. एक performer आका lighting जाव का so lighting करतलो एकलो one of the technicians who is important for us. So lighting design करतल जाव का and then we have stage design. Stage आके एक decoration जाव का जाता now for example I am doing a story from history. मगर historical रायल काल आता मग sets जाव का so to prepare those sets to design the stage असल पूरा allied activities we need people so these people can actually employ themselves and entrepreneurship you can find if this is not sufficient Natuangam sir
correct
every candidate who goes through these exams has to learn Natuangam so they can be freelancing as dancers so Ashi there are so many opportunities we have publications so you can write a book on dance which helps all students to read and understand because we have a lot of a dearth for books publications 100 years back but newly we don't have publications so all these aspects actually are going to help our youth if they are really going to diversify a little and use up the opportunities
correct
professional approach artani school sanka costume provide kellari for a project how many hundreds of children will need
correct
they check business
correct
so that way they can actually do many things
सची तांणी ग्रॅज्युएशन डान्सांत केलें म्हणजे जाल्यार तांगेलें नॉलेज ऑलरेडी आसता आतां तुमगेले एग्जाम्पलान सांगलें एक रॉयल सेटअप जावं म्हणून जाल्यार हिस्ट्रीचे कसले सेटअप सो तांकां एक ऑलरेडी आसता तुमी मस्त सांगची नेसेसिटी आसना सो दे वील ग्रॅब इट बेटर एंड तुमकां प्रोवायड करता ताची
they will be taught how to make these props properties कशी रेडी करचे मेकअप कशी घालचे wigs कशी रेडी करचे all these aspects are taught आणि lighting कशी करतात ती masks कशी करतात ती everything is taught so once they are taught and exposed to all these aspects life becomes easier just learning under one teacher Bharatnatyam bare teach करे अगरकड गेले नाही this is going to be a wholesome learning
okay आता सोशल मिडियाचे जस्ट एक आयिल्लें सोशल मिडियाचे इन्फ्लुएंस चांग और वायट परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्सारी कशी तुमकां दिसतात इट इज नथिंग टू डू विथ आमगेले एम्प्लॉयमेंट
social media has made us all कसं म्हणतात ते boosted us somebody who did not know me yesterday knows me world over today.
Right.
Social media नहीं है.
Right.
And information wise also. हाँ
Right.
मेरे YouTube upload करते performance.
Mhm.
Somebody who does not know, like youth whose teacher did not teach him something, he
Right.
can always go into the social media, have a look at it, and try to learn or try to understand that concept,
Correct.
which was not possible because of the absence of social media.
Right.
So social media has contributed enormously. At the pandemic time, Hari, I think social media exploit hami third kitty as artists. I
Right.
mean, performance every evening, every morning, every day.
Right.
So we were the ones who were using it to maximum.
Right.
So it's the best platform that we found.
तुम्ही आता का 25 इयर्स आता कोणी साधारण डान्स अकॅडमी चलयतर असे सो तुमगेली एक लाईफ स्टोरी एक शेअर करूयात म्हणजे हाऊ डिड यू आय मीन स्टार्ट अँड रीच सो फार म्हणून
Interesting. Sangla म्हणते तुम्ही. I was learning dance. I started very late. So I started very late. After my 10th standard, I started being very serious about it. So at one point, little seriously, my second PUC had a setback with PCMB. You know, it is very difficult. So at one point, I told my parents, Kalakshetravata, I don't want to dance. I don't want to study. I don't want to do engineering, MBBS or graduate. But you know what parents had to tell me? पढ़ाई तो हार्दिक कोर का like graduation जाओ. Without a graduation, we cannot get you even married.
Right.
So you see, this was the scenario in those years.
Right.
So I would say today's day it is not so. So the journey began this way. Additionally, one more happened. I was under one teacher who taught me how to be dancing, junior grade performances, junior grade exams. So I thought I was a great performer to some extent at least. Amgal college antu they had an orientation day. So one of our lecturers, who was a dancer and an English lecturer, was sitting there and scrutinizing us. So there were about 25 people dancing. So she said, I have chosen you. But तिने सांगताना I have chosen you म्हणताना ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿ ಬೆಳೆಲಿ ನೀನು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. You are talented. Your lines are horrible. You are terrible. So what do I do, madam? Kasa korama? I have turned out 5 years already. Kasa korama? Then she said, you have to undo all that you have learned because you have not learned anything properly. Your lines are not neat. Your movements are not good. So like this, I had to undo everything and relearn. It is very difficult. So it is very essential that आम्ही खंयची teacher आवडटाती, what are their whereabouts, आणि कसं जावण्यासाठी कशी डान्स करताती हे सगळं विषय घेऊन we should go to teachers.
Right.
Otherwise, आमगेल parents सांगत ना what we are doing. It's a new field, a new subject.
Correct.
So without reference, गेलेल तज्ञ अशी जातला is one thing. So post this, I wanted to do my masters in mathematics.
Oh, okay.
So graduation I went before my teacher and student told her, ma'am, I am taking an entrance test for mathematics. So immediately she tells me, I did not train you to do mathematics. I want you to go to Dr. Maya Rao, Amgal Guruji Aili from Delhi. She was supported by the government to run an institution, Horanadu Kannadiga in Bangalore. So I got in there. You know what is the scenario? We just go in. At 9 in the morning, we just go in. Back home, we are dropped at 9 by the Guruji herself. Amchigel Mai. Maya Didi was Amchigeli. She's from Mangalore, but she's a Saraswat. Saraswat. तिगेले कार अरे आमका पुरा जनांके आमने मेल घर कड होरनु बागलारा बोत कार लाईट गान बागिल काढले म्हणतात मागीर वच्चे हा चिले भितर घेतल्या तरी तितू ताई she used to be meticulous. So we used to work 9 to 9. And I told you, ती आमका from costume designing to performance to how to design music, how to choreograph, how to direct, अशी पुरा नमुने multifaceted learning दिलेली इथं. We are earning our bread only through this.
वय वय वय
Very famous personalities have been trained at the institution
हम्म
by one lady, Maya. So she gave me a professional approach to this concept, and that is how the journey went on. It is a beautiful journey.
वय वय सो तुमगेले आतां 25 इयर्साचे एक्सपिरियन्स कशी म्हळ्यार ग्रोथ फ्रॉम you know from day one to now, so what is the growth and how did you enjoy, what were the challenges तुम्ही स्टार्ट करताना, सो ते कशी तुम्ही मॅनेज केले और हँडल केले, सो ताजी कसले इन्सिडन्सीस असल्या सांगू येत की
Yes, yes.
दोज
Many.
एक्सपिरियन्स ते एक्सपिरियन्सीस आमगेले कोणे येता पाय ह्या लायना येता म्हणजे जाल्यार तांकां एक मोटिवेटर जाता ते.
So the first thing would be finance.
वय
When you need finance to perform as a dancer, तुमका musicians pay करका, costumes घालूंका, jewelries का. Not every time everybody will sponsor you.
करेक्ट
So the first thing that my teacher, first teacher, English teacher who gave me this professional approaches, first thing that she told me was to start classes. Start classes so that you don't have to ask for money. Then next thing that happened was I had a scholarship. The scholarship amount would pay up for so many things. So these two things make you financially independent. So once you're financially independent, it moves on. Then further what happened, scholarship stopped. My father was a person who was actually running a industry. He had retired from Bharat Electronics as an engineer. And he was into electrical engineering. So he was given an order for 100 capacitors, mica capacitors, which were all to be made out of silver coated articles. So he employed me to make 100 capacitors. My problem was my performance to go to Delhi. I didn't want to miss it. So I hid all the material and told him, Anna, material is not there in stock, so I can't be doing your capacitors, and went away to Delhi. So he financed me for these capacitors which I worked, but I did bluff to him, and all these things happened. So Ashi, one point of time was there when I paid for a space to one person who was a philanthropist who allowed me to take my classes by paying per student rent. Further, they didn't want to give that space after a point of time. So when they don't want to give you space, where do we go? What do we do? Hanga nearby schools and Pura, I asked for space. Those years they were not willing to give you. I'm ready to pay your rent. No, they're not willing to give you. So that was the biggest challenge I faced. Of course, Magalandan Maka support kele. That is how I got a space. I have a studio. Otherwise, it is a very difficult thing for a performer to have no space to teach students. So most important requisite is a space which is, trouble free, where nobody will trouble you. Appai television institutions where they'll offer you 60-40 basis sari, now they'll offer you some 30-70 basis sari. This is the scenario these days. But children can still manage to do it. So the first challenge is this. The next is how to fund for music. So funding and sakada. I think next question I'm sure you're inquisitive to know what is the funding that we get. How do we run institutions? Now, with BJP coming into power, they have made it online and open all times to ask for a grant and funding from the Ministry of Culture. So we get enormous funds if we can fill in the details and send them.
Correct.
At least 3 years as the institution. At least 3 years of your institution established honestly, you will get certain funds. And these funds can be utilized to be doing all that you want to do.
Okay.
You get space grant, you get library grant, equipment grant, production grant. Amgel chadu and use kornechkoloka. You can do a lot.
Correct. त्याची असल पुरा अवेअरनेस मस्त जन आमकां आसा म्हणून खंडीत लागता असं म्हणत म्हळ्यार तेच मस्त कडेन विंगड विंगड फॅसिलिटीज आसा बट अवेरनस ना आमकां म्हळ्यार आमी तशें लायक लायनार आमी येयनीची सो तुमी केलें न्ही तुमकां कळ्ळें सो आतां तुमी सांगलें आमकां आतां हे पळयतले 1000 कटले जनांकय हें कळटलें या नेक्स्ट त्याची कसल फंडिंगाचे विशयी तुम्ही सांगले अवेलेबल आसा म्हूण सो इन एडिशन टू दॅट तुमी सांगल्यार न्ही कसं म्हळ्यार फेलोशीप स्कॉलरशिप्स पुरो आसा सो आनी कसले फॅसिलिटीज तुमकां आमी नव कोणें स्टार्ट करतल्यान एसिस्टन्स म्हणटाची ते कसले मेळचे तशें आसा की खंय तकून सोर्स आसा तकून
No. Initially, at least 3 years of your existence proves out. The 3 years of existence na zalari. It could be very difficult, but at that point, the teen works after they should approach people for advertisements and sponsorship from people whom they know, banks.
Why?
Banks alla sponsorship thode amount allotted for culture. They can go to different institutions which are going to sponsor them.
Why?
Provided they register their institution.
Okay.
Most important is to register a trust. And once they have registered the trust, they have to move on and build up all these things for the first 3 years. First 3 years of the build kellari, further it becomes easier. And तुम्ही सांगला म्हणके डाउन साउथ आमकां अवेअरनेस उणे तांतूय आमगेल साउथ केनरा साइडार अंतू कोणे नंती नात की
Why?
यू आर अप्रोचिंग पीपल फॉर ऑल दीस थिंग्स
Why?
बिकॉज दे आर ऑल बाय देमसेल्स मारी स्वाभिमान चेडू
Why?
and आमची गेल चेडू खंयच्यानूय असेल सकता आमी कसं नाही बिग मार्क चिव्या म्हणटा ती
Why?
दॅट इज द अप्रोच वी हॅव
Why? Why?
सो दिस वे कॅन ॲक्च्युली encourage our youth to do
Exactly.
this.
Yes.
तुम्ही सी आसा ती
Why?
तुम्ही you can help.
Yeah, sure.
How to
Sure.
file all this, they need help.
Why? Why?
They
Why?
have to
Why?
make projects and all that.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
I think that way, yes.
येस म्हळ्यार हे बेजिकली आमी कसं तुमी सांगला म्हणजे एनकरेजमेंट एक आर्ट फॉर्माक म्हूण आतां तुमगेले एकाडेमीक खंय एक्रेडिटेशन ऑर रेजिस्ट्रेशन कसले प्रोसेस आसा की एकाडेमीक खातीर म्हळ्यार रेकग्निशना खातीर
हांव सांगलें मो empanelment as mo. This empanelment is meant for individuals as well as groups.
Okay.
But groups are third emphasis दिता because groups are more attractive. आणि तुमकां कल्चरल झोन्स म्हूण केली ती आमगेल्या देशांत वी हॅव ईस्ट कल्चरल झोन, नॉर्थ कल्चरल झोन, सदर्न साइड, ईस्ट वेस्ट पूरा आसा ती which are all again online where I can go and what do you say register myself and approach them for shows. So actually there are many government festivals. Government ana sponsor for festival asa through the Ministry of Culture asa. So if you approach them, you get those shows.
Okay.
So there are ample such opportunities which our children must approach and get.
Okay. Okay. And
So at the Tungale Mangalore level you have Department of Kannada and Culture
why?
and a dance and Sangeet Nritya Academy. So these are the bodies which are going to sponsor all these people. Academy, they get sponsorships, they get shows, festival perform. So there are everything is revolving around the government most of the times. Magere, if you want to try beyond, then you have to look for sponsorships which will help you to go ahead.
Okay. And it is basically central as well as state support, or is it only the central?
No, both. But
Both.
central is more transparent. Maybe at present situation also we might become transparent even at the state level.
Okay.
But better funds are there at the central government level and better approach is there. Funds are enormous. So it is more it is better to go into the central level is what I feel, because you are recognized totally over the entire state country.
Pan India. Yeah. Correct.
So tani cultural ministry the karcha purati petocha purati empanelment kelar you can travel abroad.
Okay. हे 9 to 5 चे ऑफिस जॉबाक आनी तुमगेल प्रोफेशनाक एक जस्ट कंपॅरिजन सांगुयात की म्हळ्यार या
9 to 5 is a very monotonous job between computers, books, and files. You know, when you're dusting files, you're doing all these things. But alhamdulillah, as long as we are passionate, we are on our feet listening to very good music, and there's a lot of creativity in the act that we do, lot of freedom. You're your own boss. So Tashal Dikuno, I think there's no monotony, there's nothing like stress, excepting that that day's performance has to be the best.
वय करेक्ट करेक्ट
So physically kasane problem jallari nave ani kasane yan jalla matra they will have a problem. Otherwise, it's one of the best things to do rather than sit in an office from 9 to 5.
because since you're passionate about that त्याचे सॅटिस्फॅक्शन खंडित
Yes.
हाय लेवलार आसतलें मुवींग आउट ऑफ आतां परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्साचे तुमी मस्त डिटेल्स दिल्ले सो वरलेले आतां एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी एंटरप्रिन्युरशिपाचे रिलेटेड एक 4 क्वेश्चन निमगे तुमकां आतां आमगेले अदर देन परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स तो एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी सिच्युएशन इंडिया भितर कशी आसा तुमगेले ओपिनियन प्रकार सुमन
It's pretty good because I'm separate MNCs yetasati all the more with new scenario where China is being sort of boycotted. I think it is getting better every day, and there was a lag of they're not called for posts. Most posts are getting filled up at the government level also is what I see. Recruitment, sir, must जातसत.
ओके 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 आनी आतां मंगळुराचे तसले और मंगळूर म्हणून स्पेसिफीक सांगते बिकॉज हे चॅनल वर्ल्ड वायड पळयताचे बट सान गांवांत तकून जन पुरा व्हड गांवांक मायग्रेट जाताली ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी पळोवन म्हळ्यार प्रिफर करताचे हांव गांवां राबना गांवां तकून भायर वता ताका बेजीक कारण कसल आतां म्हळ्यार सान गांवांत तूं पॉप्युलेशन पुरा एज्ड पॉप्युलेशन मात्र व्हरतात म्हळ्यार पेरंट्स की बट चेडूं पुरा भायर वताचे सो तसल सिच्युएशनान तूं वाय डू दे प्रिफर टू गो आउट एक्चुअली
आमकां हांगा ample opportunities मेळटात so much so that तुमकां एक दिसूय तुमी काम नाची बसका म्हणना तशी when it is a small place तुमगेले activities are not as much as when we compare it to the metropolitan cities is what I feel and flow of money economically it is better off in the cities bigger places than it is back home there facility wise also better facilities are there faster moving life I think that is one of the reasons youth want to be moving and doing things energy एक राश असुद्दी corporate culture आता नी adapt जावचा easy जाता
वय वय
I think that is one of the reasons
वय 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 तुमी आतां तुमगेल ग्रुपाक जनाक रिक्रूट करच्याची रायट सो आतां तांतू तुमकां कसले उणेपण दिसता चेडवाला तूं और कसल तांकां ऍड कोरका जाता एम्प्लॉयेबल कोरका म्हण जाल्यार तुमकां दिसता सुमना
हां आयची जनरेशन अंतू आमगेल चेडवांक कमिटमेंट फोकस ना they are not committed they are not focused what I mean by that म्हळ्यार तांकां आज हांव 4 o'clock हांगासका म्हण सांगल्यार they may not turn up at 4 they will come back and say ma'am म्हाका थंय वचपा आशिल्लें हांगा वचपा आशिल्लें is one aspect तांगेले distractions on the social media मस्त आसा they are more into आज कसन केलें ताजी 4 पिक्चर काण सेल्फी घालच्यान आसता शिवाय they are not focused and the focus is very poor is what I feel this is my personal opinion which I see with the youth of today आमगेले सिनारियो अंतू आमी स्टुडंट्स आल्वट वर्क करतना तांगेले focus is very poor the distractions are more in all aspects
correct
so I think that is one important aspect
या आतां GSP आतां तुम हे आमी कम्युनिटीचे GSP उद्योग म्हूण एक वेबसायट क्रिएट केला आता कोण जॉब सिकर्स आसा तांणी रेजिस्टर करूं येता और कोणाक जर्न जावका तांणी रेजिस्टर करूं येता एंड इट इज फ्री सर्वीस आता कोणाकय चार्ज ना आता इट्स ओन्ली अ प्लॅटफॉर्म एक दोग जाणां कनेक्ट करता तशें सो असल इनिशिएटीव तो आमगेल युथांक तुमगेल परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्सांत लायन घेवका म्हण जाल्यार और तांकां कसलेय जॉब मेळका म्हण तांक ह्या ऑर्गनायजेशन कसो करूं येता म्हण तुमगेलें ओपिनियन सुमना
I think आम्ही हे in this regard ना
हम्म हम्म
we can only place some advertisements आयलारी information pura I think we can give them disseminate the information that is available auditions calls alal kallal tedna through this channel am tang sanch tashi that is how we can educate them about what is available so that people can approach and the event organizers anka ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಕೊರ್ನು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ events ಅಂತು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ events ಅಂತು we get paid very well and performances are of great demand event management groups antu they always want a good performance at तुम्ही like seminar असा
Right.
the seminar performance होका so event management groups are involved into this performance
Right.
so performances at an event management groups are if there is a tie-up I think it should help our youth a lot
करेक्ट 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 सो आता मी GSPचे युथाल टॅलंटा विशयी उलयल्याची सो बेसिकली ग्रॅज्युएशन की स्पेशलायझेशन आय मीन परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स नाही एनी ग्रॅज्युएशन अँड इज अ स्पेशल अँड इंटेलिजंट पीपल तांणी मस्त भायर देशा वताची सो आमगेल टॅलंट भायर वता सो तुमगेल ओपिनियन कसं जालें तांणी वच्चे चांकी और हांगा आसचे चांकी और चमकलारी लायक की वायट की म्हण तुमगेल ओपिनियन कसं
I am giving a very personal opinion is it still okay
या या
value for our art are better in Europe and other countries than in India. That is one expression that you hear. Tak income na, to master na hai, but dance master, tak kasal income asam. See, that actually is one of the reasons. Anika, reservations and corruption. Reservations and corruption, तुम्ही कितले चांग असलारी if you are working in the government sector, you are frustrated. You're frustrated. आमगेल scenario तशी double दिकून, आमगेल चढू आणि भाईल गाव असून भरपूर दुड्डू कोरनु तांगेल जीवन लायक कोण कोरनु इतलारी because we are all anti-corrupt people. माको तशी म्हणतात आमच्याकडं anti-corrupt and hard-working workaholics आम्ही. These are na where people who are corruption and reservation category. Nobody wants. Doesn't Hantu, I think it's good to some extent that they travel abroad. But वापस आएंगे, that is the problem. If they come back and country, it is very good. China, unfortunately, nothing can be done about it.
Correct. Miguel, आशिल क्वेश्चन साधारण सरले सो लास्ट तुमगे लायक समरी दिवच जाल्यारी और सम अप करचे म्हण जाल्यारी तुम्ही कसं सांगताची
हांव सांगता आमगेले चेडू आनी मोर एंड मोर आर्ट फिल्डांत येवका युरोपांत गांव वचून आमगेले आर्ट एंड कल्चर प्रोपगेट करता मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंटली तांणी लायक एक्सपर्टीज घेवन देखून बोथ अकॅडमिकली एंड performance wise दोन्ही हांती they should have very good understanding because थंय शिकतली would have made a little study about our art so तांकां आमगेले विशय मस्त गोत आसता आमगेला पेक्षा चड गोत आसता so तां पुरा तांणी करून I think it should be seen as an alternate education itself and they should try to hone themselves and आमी तितले respect कोण तांकां support कर in India करता म्हण जाल्यार आमी तांकां entire country तांकां perform करूक तांकां जावपाक जाय platform तांकां जावपाक जाय sponsorships तांकां provide करूक and we have to give them information about the festivals that are there cultural festivals Google केल्यार मेळटा आमगे लिमिट कसं नाही साथ दिसल्यार I think we should do that and see to it that they are more focused and more productive So it can still be very good if they can go visit performances or YouTube ಅಂತ ಪಳೆಯಲಾರಿ ಚಾಂಗ್ ಜನ performances ಪಳೆಯಲಾರಿ they get to know so much because of that.
वय वय
Sakura will youth and court. Let us hope they will do it.
यप
I want to say one more thing. I'm very thankful तुम्ही म्हाका कोणू मेगले thoughts share करूंक एक opportunity दिलेला आहे.
वय
Most foremost सुचेया कामत thanks सांगता
यस
आणि पण तुमकां मस्त thanks सांगता for all the botheration that I have given you.
या थँक
It's a domain for
वय
you.
वय
So I don't know how you have felt about
यस
handling all this. I'm very thankful.
या आमी कसं म्हणल्यार आमगेल्या यंगस्टर्सांक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज खंय आसा म्हळ्यार आतां आमी एक पर्टिक्युलर ट्रॅकार वता आसाची सो आमकां तितलें गोत्तो आमी एकाड तेकाड पळयनाची सो एज अ परफॉर्मींग आर्ट इज ऑल्सो ए प्रोफेशन इट इज नॉट जस्ट अ पॅशन येस बट प्रोफेशन जावन काण घेव येता म्हणून एक जनाक कळ्ळें 4 जनाक म्हळ्यार एक कसं आसल्यार एक सान सर्कलार उलयताची बट युथ ऑफ GSPC तर्फेन हे वर्ल्ड वायड 1000 कटले जन ह्या शोज पळयताचे सो तांकां एक कळ्ळो म्हणून तुमकां आपयलें तुमकां आपोवच्याक प्रवीण कामत कुंबळो तांणी म्हाका इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलेलें सो सुमन रंजळकर तुमकां मस्त धन्यवाद आमगेलो इतलो वेळ टायम स्पेंड करून आमगेले क्वेश्चन्सा पुरा आन्सर करून आमकां मस्त नॉलेज दिला तुमकां मस्त धन्यवाद आयच्या शो आमी
Same
एंड
here.
करता
I am also thankful. Pravinal Bhai Suchaya. So I'm
Haji.
thankful to the couple. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
येस थँक्यू